Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's the Small Farm Master 25 and today it's Silver Farm Day 10, month 4. I would say it's month 4 by now. As I said the last day, I just wanted to do more Silver Farm, so yeah, I've uploaded that now and there's not much going on in the farm today, but yeah, let's get into the video. So 60 an hour is going to fertilizing for somebody else, and who do you know? And the Valtra still on the Rotomix feeder from yesterday, feeding those cows now in a minute, and we put down the roofs because there's supposed to be a shed coming tonight, and over there the landers giving some of the cows a bale, trying to get over that part. So I'd say they'll have to go in the field. And the 6As, the A360RT and the slurry tanker are there, and they'll be putting later when the storm is coming. We've had one more lamb. Sorry, just come over here now. We have had one more lamb, but farmer Chocolate doesn't know about it yet. It's alive, it's good, healthy. And Farm Billy will probably see that later now. And the 3050 still guarding the entrance because they're still on holiday. And our new little lawnmower is cutting the strip of grass there in between the layer. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Quite short, as I said. I did get some new Russian pack silage bought off, well, trade kind of bought off my brother. Yeah, and I got a boss hat then. It just happened on the show as well, and we're getting a custom made board for that and everything, so that will be good. So yeah, I'd really like to get to 50 subscribers, and only 4 followers away from 100 on Instagram as well, which is Small Farm Master 25. So check that out, and thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.